Hello, Tech new product in from Tranya. That's one of their latest products, and it's called the Tranya X5, which come with 14.2mm drivers. So you've got design for sports, premium sound and quality, and the box is just pretty plain, like so. There, just some small information on the back. So we'll tell you a bit more what's in them, and we'll take them for review. And then if you have any questions in the meantime, of course, you can ask them in the comments down below if you wish. So with the box, you get your information inside, social media, wiring, connection, and you've got charging instructions there, power on and off, and important notes, all that kind of stuff in there, touch controls, all that kind of stuff in there, which we will go through in the full hands-on review later on. So inside we've got our extra tips. We have got USB-A to USB-C cable, and we have the earbuds themselves that want to pop out. So there they are now. Let's pop this to one side. So these come with 14.2mm graphene drivers. That's what they look like there. Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest on the market, and you've got lower latency and better gaming experience built in, with simple practical touch controls, which will be these up on top. You can see the LEDs coming on and off there. And you've got a 9-hour playtime and single charge with IPX5 sweat resistance, sweat and water resistance, which is pretty good. So these are for the fitness enthusiast, you could say. Plus you can use them for calls, your music, and whatever else the case may be. And of course gaming. Now a lot of the earbuds now that are coming out today are coming with the features for built-in gaming and all that kind of stuff with lower latency, so that's pretty cool. You can see I've got some LED lamps up on the front there as well, and that's pretty much it. It looks like there. It's a simple case. It's a bit on the large side, but that's it. You've got a USB-C port on back, and that's what they look like in there. So you've got your connection points on both sides, marked left and right. And I'll just give you a closer look at the earbud there itself. So you can see you've got your LED lamps here. You can see one of them is turning on and off there. So one is pairing off the other. And your touch area in here, which is got kind of a convex setup there. So it's kind of going down into it, if you get the idea, which makes it easier to navigate blindly until you get used to them. So these will simply hook around the ear, so these certainly will not fall out, and you can use them in the gym or wherever the case may be, which is really cool. So that's pretty much it. You've got your 9 hours of battery life as well, which is a bit on the low side. However, you have got plenty of charge in the case as well, and that's really all there is to it. So they're really light as well. They are going to be stable and secure on your ears. And you can see they've got that typical design there. And that's what they look like. And you can see our mics there as well for your call clarity, which they say is very good, crisp and clear, which is nice to see. And you can enter your game mode as well, and it'll give you a latency of 80 milliseconds. So most earbuds I've tested has been around 60 or 70. So this is 80, and that's really about it. So stay tuned for the full review soon. If you want to know any more, of course, hit us up down below, and we'll gladly answer your questions, and we'll talk to you in the full review soon. And stay tuned to techbuzzline.com, where you'll see plenty more of tech and earbuds, headphones, and whatever the case may be. We have lots here, lots coming, as we always do, and we give you a hands-on, honest review every time. So stay tuned for more, and we'll see you then.